Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Yes, I am putting on my Nelson Rigg Solo Storm rain gear. If you can see back behind me, I might not get wet, but there's a pretty good chance I'm going to. And this stuff will keep me dry. Don't take too long to put it on. It actually is real easy to put on, because I've had to pull over before when we was on the Honda Goldwing, me and the wife, and put it on real quick, and it actually is pretty quick to put on, so that's a cool thing. And it works good, and it's visible. Nice high vis. Let's go. So we're up here in town in Sierra Vista, and trying not to get too wet. I don't mind getting a little wet, but it looks really bad over that way. The way I'm headed. But this stuff is worth buying, I'm telling you. I keep it in a Nelson Rigg dry roll bag. The 10 liter fits in there perfectly. The boots, the pants, and the jacket. And keeps it clean and dry. So when I'm ready to take it out, I just take it out of that bag, throw it on, and keep on riding. That's some wicked looking clouds up there. That one spot almost looks like a funnel, the way it's coming down. It ain't, it's just the clouds, but it sure makes it look like it. There's no rotation in it. I don't know if they even get tornadoes here. If it is, it would be extremely rare. Looks like it has rained here already. It's a nice day anyway. It's only been in the 70s today. So this rain gear, just so you know, there is a link in the description where you can check these out. And if you use my code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, you save 25% off your order. And orders over $50 is free shipping. Yeah, we might get in it. Most likely we will. Well, we're getting into a few sprinkles here. I did see some lightning. Now the sprinkles are getting heavier. Yep, I'm going to definitely get in it. Because I can see it actually raining up in front of me by that light up there. Harder to get in it heavier here, but it's not actually pouring yet. Okay, now it's coming down pretty good. Now it's coming down pretty gooder. Pretty gooder. Think we're going to get wet. Well, I would if I didn't have the Solo Storm rain gear on anyway. Oh man, there's a lot of water right here. That's deep. Pretty good water hole there. .459 swim, and he's sitting there beside the road in the rain. He went swimming too deep, maybe. Hit that big mud hole and drowned it out, probably. Yeah, I will be wet now. Well, I keep saying that, but I'm actually not getting wet. Mercy. Pretty good rain. Well, I guess this is a good test for the Solo Storm rain gear, which I actually don't need to test it. I know it's good. I've actually used it. I think when we went over east on the Goldwing, me and the wife, we used it probably 5 or 6 times, at least. And boy, it saved us. Of course, it is coming in around my helmet a little bit. Kind of hard to keep that off when it's raining hard enough, but... And my gloves, of course, they're not waterproof. They got holes in them for ventilation. the turn I wanted to take. Set my feet right down in running water, but oh well, they're dry with these Nelson Rigg booties on. They're shoe covers. So I got the shoe covers, the pants, and the jacket. Don't have no gloves. I don't know what kind of gloves there are that's waterproof. Latex gloves. Ooh, lightning. I didn't see where it's at, but I can see the lighting up the air out here. Boom. And them trees leaning. Them trees lean like that all the time. I think they've had too much wind on them. It may be a little worse today, but they lean like that all the time right through there. Well, that was a boom. I need to get out of this and get to some shelter. Never been hit by lightning, don't want to be. But this is good stuff, and it don't take up much room. Throw it in one of those 10-liter roll bags from Nelson Rigg. You can carry it on your adventure bike, a street bike, dual sport, whatever, carry with you on your trip. And man, you spur of the moment this rain comes up like this, you're covered, literally. The solo storm has you covered. I'm going to turn right here. Well, guys, I am going to get off here. Oh, it's letting up. Praise the Lord. But I'm going to get off here. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit that bell icon, you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Also, don't forget, the links in the description, I will put it there for this rain gear. I believe it's always in my description, but anyway, use code Woodzman, save 25% off your order. Right on, guys.